So, you know when I have to clean something and it's absolutely disgusting and I'm very vocal about how I feel about it? Well, this one tops all of them. Because what in the world is that? Hear me out, I've cleaned this before and it's never looked like this. Remember that list that I have of the things I don't like to clean? Yeah, this has made it to that list. Does yours look this bad or is it just mine? And don't worry, I deep cleaned it and I will share the video. I just have to make sure it's not just me.